Okay, well, don't look at my Costco card. It's got an old picture, and I don't really like that picture. But if you're living in West Palm Beach, Florida, you're in the you're a Costco member, you're considering yourself, I want to get water filtration. I want to be able to save my family money. I want to be able to make my family more healthy. And possibly I want to stop polluting the earth with plastic water bottles. Guess what? Costco is the place to go. Costco has Ivy League buyers who have scoured the earth in an attempt to find the best water products for their members at the best price possible. So that doesn't mean it's the cheapest thing on the market, because the cheap stuff, guess what? It's not certified to take out the contaminants. Now, with hexavalent chromium 6 and forever chemicals in almost everybody's water supply, Costco wants to make sure your water is the best. So what have they done? They've contracted with the #1 retailer or manufacturer in the country. That's EcoWater. EcoWater Systems is owned by Warren Buffett. It's an amazing product. And guess what? What, Andrew? You're guessing, right? Okay, the products are NSF 44 and NSF 58 listed. What does that mean to you? It means that a non-for-profit actually tested the equipment to make sure it worked, right? We're in an era where you can't really trust the manufacturers, can you? I mean, we can't trust the government for good, clean water, can we? Or can you? I don't know. What do you think? What can you trust the government to do right? Well, so if you're concerned about water, if you're looking to protect your investment in your home, if you're looking to save money, if you're looking for any of these wonderful benefits, stop at a kiosk at Costco, grab yourself a flyer, talk to one of our representatives, and we'll get you started on the pathway of saving money, saving the environment, and making your family more healthy. Thanks for stopping. Don't forget Costco, but more importantly, Drew, I'm here to serve you.